What are the big ones like? Steep, rocky, thick, like this. You go picking your way through spots like this. Big buck can be laying on top of any one of these rocks, on top or on bottom. There's usually always a little flat spot above or below. If he's above one, he's below the next one. Buck coming down! Wow, I think I missed it with the camera. As I'm saying this, wasn't a big buck, but a buck and a doe just came right through here and down. Holy smokes. That was a cool coincidence. Yeah, okay. Bucks like steep and rocky. Point proven.